Hi everyone, since it's getting close to Christmas, I'm going to show you how to make a Bulgarian pumpkin recipe. The ingredients are filo pastry sheets, salt, oil, walnuts, sugar, vanilla extract, and butternut squash. First, start by removing the sticker if you have one on your butternut squash and peel it with a potato peeler. If you want, you can use a cutting board if that makes it easier. Rinse with cold water. Remove the seeds and cut it into 8 pieces. Grab a food processor and shred the pumpkin into little shreds. Put a nice pinch of salt for the pumpkin to start releasing its juices, mix that in, and add anywhere around to half a cup to 1 cup of sugar. This is a dessert, so you can put as much as you want, vanilla extract, and a lot of oil. Now what you're going to do with the walnuts is crush them up, not too finely, and add it to the pumpkin. Then mix everything up. To assemble this, grab a nice amount of that pumpkin mixture and spread it evenly on a filo pastry sheet. Then grab about 4 or 3 sheets and roll it up like a cinnamon roll. Sprinkle on a little bit of oil and put it in a preheated oven to 350 degrees. In the middle of its cooking, you can take it out and rub a stick of butter on it to make the filo dough more crispy. I ran out of pastry sheets for one of them and I only used 2, which caused it to become thinner and crack more. It is very important to let it cool down because eating hot pumpkins will hurt your stomach. This is a delicious Bulgarian pumpkin pastry called Tikvenik. Hope you make it!